Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word thing in English. So here's the script from the dictionary. Now our pronunciation is thing, so we start with the tongue between the teeth for the th. You need some air to be released. Th. Then we've got a short I vowel and that ng ending. So putting it all back together, repeat after me nice and loud. Thing. So this is what it looks like when it's written. Remember, our pronunciation is thing. Top tip, don't try to pronounce a big hard g at the end. It's not a g, it's just that ng ending. Another thing that's worth noticing is that depending on where someone's from, in England for example, you will sometimes hear people pronouncing the TH as an F. So you'll hear some people saying thing instead of thing. If you're a second language user of English, my advice would be to try and aim for the TH sound, to say thing, so that you can communicate really clearly with whoever you're speaking to. I hope you found that useful and that you're now feeling a bit more confident with pronouncing the word thing. If you've got any requests for future words to be covered, then leave me a comment below and don't forget to hit like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.